everyone, welcome back to Initial Solution. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to upload a PDF to ChatGPT. So let's get started the video. To upload a file to ChatGPT, open ChatGPT on your mobile phone. Now you will see a plus icon here. Click on it. Select the PDF file you want to upload. Click on it. It will start uploading. Now you can ask ChatGPT to analyze, summarize, or extract key insights from your PDF. Write your prompt here. Once you are done writing, click on the send button. ChatGPT will summarize the PDF. There you have it. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.